Headed to Barbados. It's raining. That's a profit. That's like 2K. It's like 4 bands.
Are you going to? I don't know. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I work.
know a lot of
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They like
Yes,
it?
sir.
New bust down on my wrist, Zat in my drip, swim with the fist, Zat in my whip, look like a fish, jewelry up, design on my kicks, China plate, China dish, Dubai whips, Dubai clips, foreign chicks, shot when I land exotic drip, exotic whips, exotic trips, exotic kids, exotic bitch, shot when I land exotic drip, exotic whips, exotic chips, exotic trips. Shot when I land exotic trip. New Amsterdam, no smoking got killed. $9,000, that's just for the fit. In Dubai, driving a whip like my shit. Clutching the gear, I'm making this shit. Doing the dash, I'm punching the gas. And $5,000 kit. Foreign exchange, checking on profit. 20 on the watch, ain't never clock in. Blood on my shoes, you know I'm popping. Louis turban around my head like Aladdin. Gucci belt on that, I'm still sagging. Catch me dabbing out of Durban. Shopping in Europe with a firm. Catching flights like I'm touring. I bought a foreign cause it was born. I'm counting foreign money till I start snoring. Lamborghini brought
Just landed in Barbados, man. About to link up with the squad, hit the hotel, see what's really going on. Got off the plane way before us. We got a major event with literally the success mentor, Stevenson, Glendor, David and Manite, literally coming to drop nuggets on you guys on how you can take your income to the next level, how you can take your business to the next level, and how you can take your trading knowledge to the next level. So all I want to know is, are you ready, guys? Let's go. Good. How's that ride?
Mr. Rich off the net.
Hello, how you doing?
I want to encourage everybody to really just have, the right kind of mentality and the right kind of attitude for what they're about to pour into us. Because the truth is that these guys know what they're talking about, right? Both of them are multimillionaires. Both of them are committed to serving the team. And I know what they're going to teach us tonight is going to take us to another level. How many guys are excited about going to a new level? Yeah. I want to introduce the first speaker tonight. This guy is known as Rich Off the Net. All of you in this room know him. He is the type of individual that is very good at marketing online. How many guys are interested in learning how to market online? Let's go. Yeah, absolutely. That's what helps you take your business to the next level. Welcome Chairman 100, soon to be 250, Mr. Garrett Roberts.
How's everybody doing today? Tonight, right? You guys tired or y'all still awake? Y'all ready to learn how to go to the next level? I like to do something to set it off because I like to know where everybody feel in their heart, right? I like to know how you feel about yourself, and I like to start it off by saying a couple of things just to get it started off. So say, I am an educator. Passing on life-changing information to my community. Say, I am a salesman. And it's okay to be a salesman long as I'm not selling a lie. All right, so I believe someone just said that, you know, they want to do a training on marketing. But before you can really get into marketing, you have to understand the world we're in right now. Businesses live where? On the internet, right? That's because most of the people that are selling things are regular people like you and me. You're getting mad, no one's joining your business, but you're not realizing every single person that tells you no, they're literally in a bubble of success above you, just looking to see if you grow. So when I go out into the street and I'm talking to my grandma, or I'm talking to my neighbor, or I'm talking to my friend, I'm not looking for them to tell me I'm doing the right thing because I already know. Because when you lead, you have to understand, we have to lead from a place where it's no longer about us. It's no longer about just getting the sale. You gotta understand, being a good business owner is understanding what 90% of the world cannot deny or won't deny. You're here right now launching a whole country. If you're not fighting for that, you really don't care about success. Because it's never been easier. When you launch a country, when you're the first, it's never easier. All you gotta do is open your mouth. All you gotta do is be the logo.
I went on this mission, so to speak, to really learn how to do it. Because I always worked hard. You know, by this time in this training, I had been involved in network marketing for 5 years. And I had not succeeded from a monetary standpoint. But I was never lazy in those 5 years. How many of you really work this business hard? Let me kind of give you what I mean by hard. Like, you prospect anywhere from 5 to 20 people per day, and you show the plan. I'm not talking about social media prospecting. Yeah, we didn't have social media back then. This is belly to belly, going out and meeting people, right? 5 to 20 people per day, and you're showing the plan at least 2 to 3 times a day. That's the type of work ethic that I had coming up in this industry. Here's what you have to understand. You need the world to accomplish your goals. That's the type of mindset that you want to have. That I need the entire world, okay, to accomplish the goals that I have.
But literally, I showed you guys some profits on the way. I showed you guys like $8,000 in profit on the plane, right? And then I got here, played some trades in last night, and I'm literally up like another $2,000.
I wish I could just go jump in that water for y'all.
I might go do that.
But they got a big old sign that says swim at your own risk. I gotta go upstairs. It's too hot. I gotta take a shower. I can't sweat. I'm running out of clothes to wear.
New bust down on my wrist, it's out of my trip. Swim with the fist, it's out of my whip. Look like a fish, jewelry up, the side of my kicks. China plate, China dish, Dubai whips, Dubai trips, foreign chicks. Shot when I land inside the trip, exotic whips, exotic trips, exotic